Let's talk about getting set up in Canvas. At the beginning of the school year, Synergy is going to load your assigned classes to Canvas automatically. That's going to include all of the students and teachers that are associated with that class. However, your class is empty. Think of it like walking into a classroom at the beginning of the school year that has all the tables and chairs. However, you don't have any content to present yet. So that's what we're going to show you how to set up. I'm on my Canvas page. You can see at the top that I have my published courses, and at the bottom I'm going to have my unpublished courses, which should include the new classes that have been loaded from Synergy for the school year. I'm going to go to my demo class, the class we're going to use for our example. I'm going to click in the title space of the class. It's going to load my class. You can see there's no content here yet. I have navigation tools on the left and some navigation options on the right. It defaults to the modules page. Lots of teachers like to use the modules page at the high school level as their landing space. So if this is where you would like your students to initially come when they come to your Canvas course, you can start here. You can click in the center to create a new module, or you can click the plus module button on the top right-hand side. They both do the same thing. Once I've clicked, it's going to ask me to name my module. So we'll call this Introduction. And I'm going to click Add Module. Now my introduction module is here. I can come to the plus sign and start adding content if I would like to. Right? So this would be my landing page. But if I wanted to start with a traditional page, maybe a page with navigation buttons, I would need to add a page that they could land on instead of going to the modules. In order to add a page, I'm going to look for pages on the left-hand side. When it first loads, I have no pages yet, so I need to add a page. I can either click Add One here in the center, or I can click Plus Page. It's going to open and ask me what I want to call my page. I'm going to call this my introduction page. Here in this open space, I can paste in, any of the information that I would like to have. So you can type in whatever you would like. You can import pictures. So if I have pictures that I want to load, I can come here and upload images. Okay, I've thrown in a copy from another course. All right. Once I'm done with adding my information, I can scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to click Save and Publish. To make this my home page, I have to do an extra step. I'm going to come over to the right-hand side and click on the three dots. And I'm going to click Use as Front Page. If you forget to do this and are coming back, I'm going to pretend that I'm going in. I've clicked on Pages. I'm going to click View All Pages. I might have a list. I can come again and look for the three dots, and I will go to View as Front Page. All right, so one last step. I'm going to click on Home. And I'm going to look over here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to choose a home page. And I want it to be my front page, my introduction page that I just created. I'm going to click Save. So now when my students come in, this would be the page that they would land on with my handy little buttons that I've placed in. All right. If you would like to learn how to make your own buttons, if you would like to learn how to set up your pages, how to set up the button links so that they lead where you want them to go, please set up a time to meet with me. I'll be happy to demonstrate that for you or help you to create your own.